Hi everyone, this is Love Johar. Thank you so much for watching this video and thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Very important, information I want to give out today because after teaching more than 2000 students, taking corporate batches, teaching a lot of students from India and abroad, one thing, which is very important, which I tell all my students is that whenever you are going for the implementation, okay, always try to understand the organization first. This should be your goal. This should be your objective. Try to understand clause number 4. Clause number 4 is the heart of the entire standard. If you are able to understand the organization, what are the internal and external issues of the organization? What are the needs and expectations of the interested parties? Trust me, half of the job is done. Okay? Because in order to do that, in order to do that, you would need to speak to the relevant stakeholders. You would need to speak to the department heads. You would need to speak to the business heads. Without speaking to them, without engaging with them, without understanding their processes, without understanding their functions, you would not be able to do that. That is why a humble request to anybody who is going for ISO 27001 implementation as a consultant, if you want to become a good consultant, spend a lot of time in understanding the organization. I'm telling you from experience, I have implemented a lot of, I have done a lot of implementations in India and abroad. And the only thing that I realized, which actually mattered the most, is understanding the organization. Once you have complete understanding about the organization, what are the types of data that is being processed, what are the types of functions that they are doing, what are the third parties, what are the regulatory compliances. If you have these things handy with you, trust me, it will be very useful in your entire implementation. Okay. So, one of the very important tips that I give to all my students, I just want to make sure, I clearly convey it in this video so that if you are in this channel, if you have subscribed to the channel, you should get the most out of it, right? So, this is a very important factor why an implementation would success or fail. I have seen many organizations who have gone for stage 1 audit and have got failed. Many organizations who have gone for stage 2 audits and have got failed. Trust me, this is one of the most important factors. Lead implementer should try to understand the organization first. Okay. And if you want more tips like this, if you want more tips on the exact implementation, the practical implementation, please add in the comment section and I'll keep on creating such videos for you. Okay. And if you really want to learn every aspect of ISO 27001 along with governance, risk, and compliance with practical hands on expertise, not theory, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll get in touch, with you for you with my sales team. Okay, you can get in touch with them. You can directly get in touch with them, or if you want, I can also help you. So that see the main objective of basically attending these workshops, which I am doing, is to give you practical understanding, hands-on understanding. Okay, which I don't think anybody is giving as of now, right? So I have seen a lot of YouTube videos. I have seen a lot of famous YouTubers also, and I really respect all the content that they are creating, and I'm myself a big fan of some of them, but I haven't seen a practical approach towards implementation till now. Okay, how it is done, how you create a policy, how you do risk assessment, why you need to create a policy, who do you need to get in touch, who would review the policy, the exact process you need to understand if you really want to become a good lead implementer. Only getting the certification is of no use. Only getting the certification of a lead implementer, trust me, people who have already done lead implementations and people who are already lead auditors for the last 5 years are now joining my batches. Okay, because they are still not sure as a consultant how to implement on the ground. Okay, so if you are watching this video, please get the most out of it and definitely subscribe to this channel. And secondly, if you want me to create more and more content like this, please add to the comment section. Thank you so much. Love, Johar. Bye bye.